Hello everybody, I have a MacBook a1278 that has a problem with the keyboard. It was water damaged and we did a water damage treatment and the keyboard isn't working. I'm replacing a keyboard on this laptop. Stay tuned towards how I replace the keyboard on this laptop. So this is the one that I will be replacing it with. I could try to fix the keyboard, but it's too much time consuming, waste of time. First thing, remove the screws at the back. A few screws, some of them are missing. Some of the big ones are missing and some of the small ones are missing as well. It doesn't matter that much. So let me just take the battery off and then remove all these screws out so that I can get to the back. What I can do is I can remove the battery as well. I think that's the best thing to do. Let me remove the battery. So the battery has this different kind of screw. It's got like this is like a triangle shape, like triangle shaped one. So like a triangle one. So take off all the screws. There are 2 of them. Then the battery comes off easily. I'll leave it on the side. So these are all the torque speeds. Quite different than the regular ones. So let me remove all the screws. So once these screws are off, I can take off all these connectors. There's one more here. These connectors are very fragile. Try to be very careful with them and try not to break them apart. So yeah, once this is removed, I'm going to remove the LCD connector. Unscrew this as well. So let's remove this too. So once all the screws are out, there is one more here. So once all the screws are out, let me remove the motherboard out. Remove the fan first, then I can pull the motherboard out. Unless it's got any screws screwed somewhere, it's gonna come off very easily. Okay, so this is out. I'll have to remove all of these to get underneath the thing. So let's unscrew all of these. And let's remove this. I don't know why they have so many screws. Anyways, let me just quickly clean this bit and put a new keyboard on it. I think I should use these ones to do it. Okay, it seems quite clean now. So let's put the new keyboard in. Okay, it seems good now. Let me first screw these, the power button screws, then I can do it with the other ones. So let's just start with this first, see if it's clicking or not. So this is the last bit that's supposed to go in there, and this one has a triangle one. This is the moment of truth. Got a very long password, so I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so it looks okay. I'm gonna turn it off. clean it and then ask him to pick it up. So yeah, just fold it back. Let me just quickly put all the screws and the backs and everything back in. So this is all done. This is how I place a keyboard on MacBook a1278. This is all done. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.